OfficeReports Analytics adds pivot functionality to Excel, specialized for analyzing survey data. Crosstabs or banner tables is a typical default starting point when analyzing survey data. These tables combine information like observations, percentages, mean values, standard deviations, statistical test results, and so forth. This type of combination is not available when using Excel pivot functionality. From the Office Reports menu tab in Excel, add a set of data from one of the typical data formats for survey data, in this example an SPSS SAV file. As soon as the data is imported, Office Reports gives an overview of the variables. From this window, it's easy to create new variables which combines data in new ways. For example, it's easy from a variable containing date information to create a derived variable with the data organized into quarters, or from a numerical variable containing age information to create a derived variable containing age segments. With the data in place, it's time to start creating pivot tables. From the Office Reports menu, enter Create Table, select a variable, and immediately a table is produced. At the same time, the Office Reports Pivot Table pane pops up in Excel. In the Pivot pane, you can adjust the content of the table, for example, add an unlimited number of banner points. It's easy to flex the content of the table, showing percentages, numbers, or a combination of the two. Percentages may be calculated row or column-wise, or as total percentage. Totals may be added both row and column-wise, and statistical information such as mean and standard deviation are easily added. If your data is based on sample, it might be relevant to add a significance test or maybe balance the data using weighting. Similar to Excel pivot tables, you can add filters to the Office Reports pivot table. With the filter and banner and test settings in place, it's easy to change from one variable to another, and in this way to walk through the results and findings. With Office Reports, you can produce many pivot tables in just one process by using the feature Add Many Tables. Here, you can produce a list of as many pivot tables as you would like, all using equal banner points, table settings, filters, layouts, etc. As soon as the list is defined, press OK and the list of tables are created in just one process. Instead of pivoting each individual table one by one, you may add a general filter to all the tables in the worksheet or even for the whole workbook in one process. With Office Reports Analytics, you can create pivot tables customized for survey data, all from within Excel without needing external Crosstabs or statistical tools. If you would like to pivot your research data directly in Excel, please download the Office Reports Analytics add-in and try out the features for free.